Hi, Troy here with The Road Dancing, and I've got a super fun one for you this week. This is an improver. It's 32 counts, 4 walls, with no tags and no restarts, choreographed by Isaac Nelson. Now, the name of the dance is actually called Pieces to the Puzzle, but everybody really knows it by the song that we dance to, which is called I Love Miami. Did you just censor me? That's the name of the song. The song is called I Love Miami. Stop doing that. You know what? It's okay. It's fine. Look down below. You'll see the exact name of the dance and the song and all the information, including subscribing to the channel down below. Once you've done that, I think it's time to get to learn the dance. If you're ready, let's have some fun and get it done. All right, let's get started with that first set of 8 counts. So the first 2 things we're gonna do is a sailor step. Now we're gonna start with our right foot going behind. You're gonna go slide 1 and 2. That's your first sailor step. Now that gets all the way onto your right foot. Then you take your left foot and sailor step 4, back together 4. We're gonna do that a couple times. So you're gonna go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. That gets your sailor step in. Now with all weight on the left foot, you're gonna do that diagonal slide forward. First with your right, go 5 together, 6. You're just tapping that left foot. Then you take the left foot diagonal forward for 7, tap 8. All right, so let's put that whole set of 8 counts together. So weight's gonna start on your left foot, sailor step with the right foot in 5, 6, sailor step, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, slide, tap, slide, tap. All right, let's get started with that second set of 8 counts. So we just finished our forward slide. All weights on our left foot. Now we're gonna take our right foot and we're going to do some swivel steps. Almost like you're snuffing out a cigarette or something like that. So you're gonna go 1, 2, switch weight on your right, then do the same thing with your left, go 3, 4. So we're gonna do that again real quick. So you just finished your tap. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now from here, your weight is on your right, your left foot's got that swivel. You're gonna take it, you're gonna sweep it back for 5, sweep back your right, 6, sweep back your left, 7, then sweep your right together for 8, but we're not putting any weight on that to prep us for the next step. So that was a lot, we're gonna put it together here a little slower. So swivel step, sweeping back. So you're gonna go 1, 2, switch 3, 4, sweep 5, 6, 7, tap 8. We're gonna do that again though with some counts to it and go a little bit faster because the song's a little bit faster. All right, here you go. Swivel steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. All right, hopefully you're having fun so far. Now we're gonna put the first 16 counts together. So remember, we're gonna start with those 2 sailor steps. So face backwards, you see what Boot's doing? Weight is on your left foot. We're gonna sailor step. We're gonna do this 2 times. We're gonna walk it through, then we're gonna count it through. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, sailor. Back behind together, slide, tap, swivel right, swivel left, sweep, 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 then tap. Okay? Now, let's do it straight with counts because I know my people out there, some of you just love the straight count side of things. So again, let's do it again. Plus good practice. Here we go, sailor step, starting with your left foot, have the weight. Right foot's gonna go in 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, slide 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, tap 8. All right, let's get to that third set of 8 counts now. This is where the fun really begins. We're gonna have a wall change, but it's not the official wall change. So we're kind of looking at Fort Lauderdale, not Miami yet, because we love Miami. That will make sense when we dance it out. Anyways, okay, so we just finished with that tap again, prepping it forward. We're gonna do hitch steps. I've heard them called pony steps, but I'm gonna show it both directions so you can see. You're gonna take your right foot, you're gonna go 1 and put weight on it, and then pop it up for 2 and 3 and 4. That looks really weird coming from the backside, so I'm gonna show you sideways. So you move forward on that 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So that's why they're called those pony steps. You got a little pony prance in there. Or again, if you're really country, hitching, it's pit bull. You got both. So let's try it one more time. 5, 6, moving forward. Go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Now, all weights on your left foot. Your right is ponied up a little bit. You're going to do a jazz box turn. Pretty simple. You take right foot and across for 5, putting weight on it. As you step back to your 6, you're going to do a slight turn to your right shoulder. That's 7, or 6, sorry. Then you can take your right foot, move 7, then come together 8. And now you're facing a new wall. Not the official new wall, but a new wall. All right, so let's do that again. That pony step is up. You're crossing over, so you're going to cross 5, slight turn, turn, together. All right, I know that's a lot, but we're going to put it all together, full 8 counts. We'll do it slow to start. So we're riding a smaller pony at this point. Left foot has the weight. 5, 6, pony step, go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, cross 5, back 6, turn 7 together, 8. All right, let's do it a little more like song speed. Here you go. 5, 6, 7, 8, go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, cross 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's put all those 3 sets of 8 together. We're gonna do this 2 times through. Slow to start, so keep it nice and easy. Starting with those sailor steps, weights on the left foot. 5, 6, slow as we go. Sailor 1 and 2, sailor 3 and 4, down 5, 6, 7, 8. Swivel 1, 2, left 3, 4, sweep 5, 6, 7, tap 8. Pony 1, 2, and 3, and 4, jazz 5, 6, 7 together, 8. All right, let's do it song speed. You got this. I know you do. All right. 5, 6, sailor step. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Slide 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pony 1, 2, and 3 and 4. Box 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, we are into that final 8 count. Now, I'm going to teach it a couple different ways. One is per the step sheet. The other is the variations you'll see out at the bar. So that way you can do both when you go out. You get to choose. It's a choose your own adventure kind of dance, even though we're going to end up in Miami. All right, I'm going to face this way so you can see the first part of this. So per the step sheet, all weight landed on that left foot as you did your box turn. You're going to slide to the right. So you're going to right tap, then you go left tap. Now, the things I see at the bar sometimes is rather than slide, tap, maybe you don't have a lot of room, they'll just do a toe tap. They'll go tap together, tap together. Again, either way is fine. Pick your own, but I want to make sure you have both, okay? Now, from here, we come back together. We're going to jump out. We're going to go 5. Then we're going to jump and cross right over left, 6. And then we're going to do a 180 double bump wall change, 7, 8. I have also seen in the bars where they go 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Again, either way works for me. I just love that you're dancing. All right, let's put that together, facing the correct wall. So, face forward, do a quarter turn to your right wall, say hi to yourself. If you've got a mirror or a buddy or a friend over there, tell them to join you. Just because I'm alone right now, it's fine. Other than my production person. Hi, Morgan. All right, so from here, we're going to slide to the right, so 1 together, 2, then left, 3 together, 4, then out, cross, double bump, turn, turn. The biggest and most important thing on that turn, no matter whether you stop or not, you want to make sure you get all weight onto your left foot, prepping you for your next step. And at this point, we're at our official wall change facing the new Miami. All right, let's do that again. A little faster. Slide together, cross, turn, double bump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, left, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All weight on that left foot, and you've got the whole thing. All right, it's time to put the whole thing together. We're gonna do this twice. Slow first to words, and then we'll do it to counts and go a little bit faster. Let's get this going, guys. All right, starting with your sailor step. 5, 6, sailor back, go sailor step, slide together, swivel right, swivel left, swivel, sweep back, 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 tap for pony, hitch and hitch and hitch, cross, back, turn, together side right, together side left, together, out, cross, double bump. Whew! Let's do it faster. And let's do it to counts, because we need to get you ready for song speed, because that'll be the whole dance. Are you ready? I hope so. I am. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, there it is. You've learned the entire dance. Wasn't it fun? I mean, like, she did it again, didn't she? It's okay. All right, there's only 2 things though left I need you to do. First thing, again, if you haven't, make sure you subscribe down below. We'd love to be able to tell you when our next video is coming out. After that, it's time to dance it. So if you're ready, click on that video that appears in the upper right corner and come dance it with me.